Discover the Hippcron 7-inch portable car multimedia video player, a smart and affordable solution designed to bring wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto to almost any vehicle without replacing the original dashboard system. In this video, we explore the features, performance, and ease of use of this universal portable touchscreen display that instantly upgrades your driving experience with modern connectivity, navigation, entertainment, and communication functions. The Hippcron multimedia system features a compact and elegant 7-inch touchscreen display that provides clear visuals and responsive touch controls, allowing drivers to access essential smartphone functions safely and conveniently while keeping their attention on the road. With support for wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, users can enjoy seamless access to navigation apps, music streaming services, phone calls, messages, and voice assistants directly from the display without the need for cables. Key features: 7-inch high-definition touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility, wireless Android Auto compatibility, universal portable design, compatible with most vehicle models, easy installation without dashboard modifications, responsive touch interface, Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free phone calls, wireless music streaming, support for navigation applications, voice assistant compatibility, smartphone integration, multimedia video playback, compact and lightweight design, fast and stable wireless connection, user-friendly interface, modern upgrade for older vehicles. The portable installation design makes this system ideal for vehicles that do not have built-in CarPlay or Android Auto support. Simply mount the display, connect the power supply, and enjoy a modern infotainment experience without expensive upgrades or complicated installations. The large display makes navigation easier to follow while driving and provides quick access to applications such as Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, YouTube Music, WhatsApp, and many other popular services available through your smartphone. Wireless connectivity eliminates cable clutter and provides a cleaner and more convenient driving environment, allowing your smartphone to connect automatically every time you enter the vehicle. Whether you are driving an older car, a family vehicle, a commercial van, or simply looking for an affordable way to add smart features to your dashboard, the Hippcron 7-inch multimedia player offers an excellent combination of convenience, functionality, and value. If you enjoy automotive technology, smart accessories, and vehicle upgrades, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in car multimedia and connected driving technology.